On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is one of the best ways that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing for free without investing anything. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join, but in this case I'm using Digits224. But if you want, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join JVZoo, you can join Clickbank, Max Bounty, or any affiliate network that you know. Digits224 is one of the largest affiliate network where you can find a lot of different offers to promote. There are many of them, so search for Digits224. Once you search for it, you can create a free account wherever you are in the world. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here marketplace so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, it is loading. When I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote. There are many offers on this platform. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. You don't need an approval to promote an offer. All that you need to do is that you have to select the one that you want so that you can promote it. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can click right here page 2. Once you click on it, it is going to display a lot of other products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a product that you want so that you can promote it. Before you select a product to promote, what you have to do is that you have to consider certain factors. The first factor that you must consider is the CAC conversion rate. The CAC conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the CAC conversion rate, the likelihood that you make a sale. Apart from that, you must also consider the commission rate. The commission rate is the amount of money that you are going to be paid per every sale that you get. This one, for example, you can see you are going to be paid $129.70 per every sale that you get. So if you are using paid traffic source, this is one of the best products that you can promote. If you are using free traffic source, you can also promote a product like this. But if the commission rate is low, when you are using paid traffic source, sometimes you are not going to be making profit. So it depends on the traffic source that you want to use. If you are using free, you can promote any product that you want. If you are using paid traffic source, you have to consider a product that have a high commission rate so that you can make profit anytime you get a sale. Apart from these factors, you can also select a specific category of products that you want to promote. For example, if you want digital products, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, click on any of these categories so that you can find an available product to promote. Assume you have a YouTube channel, website, or any social media platform that is focused on any of these niches. You can click on it and then find a product to promote. There are many categories, so when you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different categories. So if you have a YouTube channel, a website, or any social media platform that you have that is focused on any of these categories, you can click on it and then find a product so that you can promote it to your audience. If you don't have a website, YouTube channel, or any social media following, you can still make money. All that you need to do is that you have to select a category so that you can get a product to promote. Once you get a product, you can promote it without a website or any social media following. You can see a whole lot of different categories. Select the one that you want so that you can promote it. When you scroll down, you can see they also have events and seminars that you can promote, services that you can promote, physical products, that is the shipping product. So when you click on it, they have skincare, food supplement. Any of them that you want, you can click it and then find the available product that you can promote to make money from home. In my case, I have been recently promoting a product, so I'm going to show you that product so that you can see how I'm going to promote it. You don't have to promote the same product. You can find a different product and then promote it. I'm just going to use this product to demonstrate for you to see, but you can select any product that you want. This is the product that I'm going to be promoting, ProDentim. ProDentim is a supplement that helps people to have healthy teeth and gums. So you can see the CAC conversion rate is high, the commission rate is high. So it is one of the best products that you can promote. To promote it, click on it so that you can get other details. Once you click on it, you can see the price. If you want affiliate resources to promote the product, click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you get to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. If you're also new to the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you'll be able to get a lot of information about the product before you promote it. The sales page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see before they promote the product. So all that you need to do is that you have to ensure that the product that you are promoting, it has a nice landing page before you promote it. Because if the product do not have a nice landing page, it can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. So always make sure you check the landing page. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. You can see it is good. You can see it has a lot of information that can get people to purchase the product for us to make money. When you scroll down, you can see they have bonuses. So this kind of information get people to purchase the product. You can see they have testimonials, people who have bought the product and they have gotten good results. You can see their testimonies. All this information is a proof that the product is working. So there's a likelihood that you get a sale when you are promoting this product. You can see the product in different packages. So any amount that your potential visitors want, they can make a purchase. You can see they can decide to pay $69 per bottle, $49 per bottle, $59 per bottle. Any amount that they want, they can choose. And once they make a purchase, they are entitled to free shipping. You can see free shipping, free shipping. When you scroll down, they have frequently asked questions that your potential visitors can read before they decide to purchase the product. You can see everything. Now once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the product. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can see your affiliate link has been copied onto your clipboard. Now what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to that link so that you can get people to click on your link and then purchase the product through that link so that you can be paid on Store 24. You can use free traffic source or paid traffic source, but in this case what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product for you to make money wherever you are in the world. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Serena.sg. Serena.sg is a website that is based in Singapore, and the best part is that it is free to post your ad onto the platform. You can post in many categories, so any of these categories that you have a product, you can post it. You can see they have property, cars, business, handphone, computers, furniture, fashion, beauty, pets, services, jobs, and many other categories that you can post your ad. When you click on all other categories, you can see this is an ad that someone has posted today. You can see it right here. You can see many ads that people have posted onto the platform. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different ads that people have posted onto the platform. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to also create an account so that you can post your ad onto this platform. You are not required to pay for anything. To post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you can register for an account by using your Google account, or if you have an account, you can click right here, login, so that you can log in into your account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, insert ad, so that you can be able to publish an ad. Once you click on it, you have to select the category of the ad that you want to post. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are the categories that you can post an ad onto the platform. You can see they have marketplace. So the marketplace is simply items for sale. So you can see you can select any of these items and then post your ad. When you scroll down, you can see many other categories that you can post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different categories. In our case, we are promoting a dental product. So what we have to do is that we have to select beauty. Once you select beauty, you have to select the subcategory. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different categories. Select health products. Once you select the health product, the next step is that you have to enter the local area. So if you want, you can enter any local area that you want. But in this case, we are not going to do that. The next step is that you have to enter the ad title. You have to enter a catchy title so that you can get people to click on your ad and then make a purchase for you to make money. What I usually do is that I use ChatGPT, but if you want, you can write it yourself. As you can see on ChatGPT, this is my ad description in a title. All that you need to do is that you have to type a prompt like this. Write an ad description for Pro-Dentin supplement. That is the name of the product, Pro-Dentin supplement. Once you type a prompt like this, click on send so that it will write a title and a nice description like this. Now once you have your title and a description, what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste onto your ad. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, what you have to do is that you have to come back on your ad, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy and paste the description here. So come back on ChatGPT, highlight everything, highlight your description. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the price. When you come back on Store24, you can see this is the price of the product. You have to go back and then enter it. So come back. Once you come back, enter the price here, 184. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see website. This is where you have to paste your affiliate link. So come back on Store24 and then click right here, copy promo link. Once you copy it, the next step is that you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, if you have a YouTube video link, you can paste it here, but in this case we don't have any YouTube video link, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see the map. You can click right here, graphic example. Once you click on it, you can be able to get a map and then select a specific location, but in this case we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see publish, insert images. So you have to click right here so that our ad can be published, and we also have to insert images so that our ad can look nice. So click on insert images. Once you click on it, you can see you can insert images, but your ad has been submitted. You can see new classified successfully added, so it is now waiting for review. But you have to add images so that your ad can appear nice to attract people to click on your ad and then make a purchase. So just search for the name of the product on Google so that you can find images of it. So let's search for pro dentin images. Just search for pro dentin images. Once you search for pro dentin images, select images. Once you select it, you can see these are all images that you can use on your ad. To download an image, right click on it, select save images so that you can download the image onto your device. Once you download the images, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, insert image. Once you click on it, click right here, select image. Once you click on select images, select your image and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on upload. Once you upload the image, click on the next, click on insert image again, select image, select your image, click on open. Once that is done, click on upload image. Once that is done, it has been uploaded. The next step is that you have to preview it. So click right here, preview ad, so that you can see how your ad will appear when it is approved. You can see this is how your ad is going to appear when it is approved. So you can see the description, you can see everything, you can see everything. You can see your description, you can see your affiliate link. So when your ad is approved, this link is going to be clickable. You can get people to click on it and then go ahead to make a purchase so that you can make money with affiliate marketing without investing anything. Apart from this website, there is another website that you can also post your ad for free without paying for anything. This is another website where you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. The name of the website is wegoswap.com. On this website, you can also post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see these are ads on the platform. So all that you need to do is that you have to register for an account. Once you register for an account, you can be able to place an ad without paying for anything. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.